Don't buy a boat, join the club. Owning a boat sounds great, but have you thought about the hassles of boat ownership? Slip fees can exceed $500 at some marinas. But the bigger issue is finding a marina with occupancy. With limited boat slips available at the marina, you may find yourself needing a truck, trailer, and hitch to tow your boat. Have you considered the time it takes to prep, hook up, and launch your boat?
Yeah.
Oh my God, what?
Maintenance can be costly. A broken prop can cost thousands. Fixing a flat tire is never fun, especially with a boat attached. Oil changes are typically every 50 hours of boat operation. Diagnostic software can cost thousands. So when that check engine light turns on, it's another trip to the boat dealer. Life jackets, rope, skis, tubes, surfboards. Outfitting adds up. Who wants to clean after spending hours on a boat? Skip the hassles of boat ownership. Join the Nautical Boat Club.